Hello everyone, it's Koko's channel, and we all know that we're going through some tough times right now. And what I propose you to do is I'll show you a recipe for immune booster number 1. And for this recipe we will need the following ingredients. In the same proportions we will need walnut, dried apricots, dried plums, lemon, dried dates, and a bit of raisins. And honey. We can also add optional a little bit of honey and a little bit of ginger. But careful, because not everyone can eat honey or ginger. So let's start.
Dates. Dates are a great source of antioxidants. Dried dates contain polyphenols, just like green tea. They are good for blood sugar balance due to its low glycemic impact. They help reduce blood pressure. 5 or 6 dates provides about 80 milligrams of magnesium. Dates contains choline. Each little date contains over 2 milligrams of choline, which is a brain booster that gives a better memory. They help maintain a bone mass. 1 dried date contains around 140 milligrams of potassium that helps regulate the amount of calcium being transferred to our bones.
In the plums.
Prunes or dried plums. They are a source of antioxidants. These fruits contain vitamin C and phytonutrients. They manage diabetes. The flavonoids present in plums exert protective effect against insulin resistance in the body. They prevent osteoporosis. Consumption of dried plums exerts anabolic and anti-resorptive actions which aid in maintaining healthy bones. They aid in digestion due to its source of dietary fiber, along with the components sorbitol and istatin, which helps in regulating the digestive system. And a healthy nervous system. Plants contain vitamin B6, which helps in the transmission of nerve signals and aids to the smooth functioning of the nervous system. Apricots due to vitamin A are vital for the following aspects. They encourage cells growth, build up the immune system, maintain good vision, keeps bones healthy, and assist in reproduction. Raisins. They contain good amounts of iron, copper, and vitamins that are essential for making red blood cells and carrying oxygen throughout the body. They prevent cramping, they help with the digestion, they fight against cancer cells, and protect eye cells. Walnuts. Now, walnuts are full of omega-3 or alpha-linoleic acid, which is vital for our bodies. They also contain vitamin E, antioxidants, support healthy aging, fights against dementia. Brains love walnuts. Lemons. Lowering stroke risk. Vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that may help prevent free radicals from causing cell damage that can lead to cancer. Skin health. Vitamin C plays a vital role in the formation of collagen, the support system of the skin. Preventing asthma. People with asthma who consume higher amounts of vitamin C and other nutrients when they have a cold may experience fewer asthma attacks. Protects against anemia. Squeezing a little lemon juice onto a salad containing baby spinach can help maximize the intake of both iron and vitamin C.
Now we add our ginger, just a bit, and we put a bit of honey, just about 1 tablespoon. Mix well everything. Then we take a glass jar like that, and we put it in. And this is what we have in the end. This is just enough for one 250 milliliters glass jar. Now, this is what we have in the end. This is a great immune booster. Now, this is not a panacea from coronavirus, but this is great for your immune system. This is great for your heart. This is great for your brains. This is great for your blood pressure, for sugar levels, basically for everything. And all you have to do with this now is have at least 1 teaspoon per day, which I have right here. Tastes great. I feel all the vitamins and antioxidants already going into my blood vessels. Now, this is great. Stay safe, stay home, and be healthy. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video, hit the dislike button if you didn't like this video. I'll show you more recipes about immune boosters later. Thank you, bye!